Look, look, look. The water has migrated. It's all remaining the coral reefs. Wow. Hey, what do you see? Congo. Welcome to Congo River. You see? Yes, guys. It's a nice place to be. Yeah. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back, guys. Hey, what? Hope you like it. Congo River. Congo River with nice scenario for nature. Hmm? Push for seek and hide. Pushes for seek and hide, guys. Seek and hide. Seek and hide. Is for seek and hide. So far I have come from. So hope you have enjoyed with the nature walk here. I take you back. I take you back. Now we are going home. Look, watching my legs. Nice. It's very nice to be here. Anyway, I'm enjoying. Hope you have enjoyed too. Hope you have enjoyed too. Hope you have enjoyed with me. Next time, tell me where you would like to see. With me, guys. It's very nice. Very natural. Everybody's minding one business here, guys. It's high time we are going home. I have no other choice. If I was having more time, I could have taken the another side there. You see, it's another side. But you must cross with the port for you to be in that island. The water is okay. Next time, let us catch up later by my next video.